I'm in the heart of Bridgwater today, and I'm sat in front of the bay window of the ground floor apartment we got coming to the market. It's so rare to see a one-bedroom apartment with features like this. This one's a cracker, and I can't wait to show you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Hope you've enjoyed the tour of this property. If you'd be interested in arranging a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.